Okay, out of the Williams kids, who can burp on demand?
I can.
On demand?
On demand.
What do you
Right
mean?
now.
Burp right now.
From New Jersey telling me to just do that.
I can do that.
Go ahead. Wait, Hannah. Go.
Right now?
Yeah.
Hey,
I don't want to do it though. I don't want to do it.
To drink.
Justin, can you?
so this is Monday's trial list? Decimate, right, very good. Farrellized.
I'm totally putting it on Facebook,
I
you guys.
appreciate it. Well, we're all sitting at Carnegie Deli eating sandwiches like you wouldn't believe. And burping, yes. Thank you for the update. Have a good weekend. Bye.
Okay, Uncle Adam.
Yeah, but I got nothing. But that's not a sound recording.
Yes, it is.
It is?
Yes, it is.
Oh my God.
Thank you, Steph. Here you go.
Holy
Okay, wait, I gotta go.
That's not down.